Welcome back. Daryl here with 205 Motorsports with another video. So today we got a little Civic SI. Got the owner here. He's going to do a quick little overview of the car. So what is this car? What year is the Civic itself?
This is a 2009 SI sedan.
Okay. So clearly not stock.
No, been building on it for about 2 years. Started out with just some full bolt-on mods, exhaust and intake, basic stuff, and decided to go turbo about a year ago, and put about 20,000 miles on it since we went turbo. It's running a 6262 AGP turbo Sidewinder kit, 3-inch exhaust, 1300 cc injectors. That's pretty much the gist of it. 340 pump.
So with that setup, what kind of power can you make with that?
We dynoed it at 18 pounds at a little over 500. 9 pounds it made a little under 400. So right now we're running about 12 pounds at about 415. So,
okay.
And I daily the car, so I don't really want to beat up on it too much, you know. So
sure.
So we've got it running about what I refer to as mid boost. It'll eventually go higher. Got a built motor about to go in it, so we'll be able to turn it up a little more here soon.
Cool. Well, as we was talking earlier, I've owned an 8th gen, so
yep.
You know, these cars have a little soft spot in my heart. Definitely a lot of potential with them.
Yep, no doubt.
You know, the Honda boys of the past is like I said, of the past. The Hondas today, they are they're some good street cars.
No doubt, especially I've become a big fan of the K series. Now I enjoyed the B series, but I did a lot more D series stuff. But the K series is just easy to make power, and it handles boost really well. So it's a great street car. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'll pop the hood if you.
Yeah, let's check out underneath the hood. You got some wide tires on here. How wide are they?
Running 9 inches all the way around.
Okay.
That's another thing. In front wheel drive, it's 500 horsepower. It's really hard to keep traction unless you're in 4th, 5th gear.
Sure.
So that's always a problem. Yeah, that's the setup.
Very nice.
Thank you, sir. Definitely a fun little car.
Who tuned the car?
A guy actually out of Egypt that tunes a lot of Hondas. His name's Muhammad. He's one of the best remote tuners in the world. A lot of guys that are into the Honda tuning scene know who he is.
Okay.
But yeah, he tuned it remotely, and it's been running great for almost a year now on about 12, 13 pounds of boost daily. Yeah.
Okay. So you said you turboed it about a year ago?
Yep.
Any idea how many miles you put on this setup?
This setup right here, right just under 20,000, so about
Okay.
about 18,000 miles on this setup. So
Okay.
it's definitely held up better than I thought. So I was really kind of held off on putting the built motor in, and I really have no reason to with it being a daily until something goes wrong with this one. So it's really held up a lot better than I thought it was going to. Because I'm not easy on it. I mean, I get on it every day a little bit, you know. So 20,000 miles on this setup on a motor that has north of 100K, stock K20Z3 is pretty impressive.
Yeah, I couldn't resist the urge from hitting the VTEC for too long. It's just
Right, yeah. You
I
can
like
definitely
how it
tell when it
is.
crosses over, can't
Oh, yeah.
you? Yeah, no doubt.
You want to go for a ride?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's do it.
With the current boost, how much power do you say think you're making?
Just a little over 400, about 415 or so. Curve, we'll pull. Does it straighten out around the curve?
Yeah. Well, maybe not. It will.
Do a little pull. Blew a massive flame out the back. Y'all hear it pop?
I do. the end of the road now. Maybe it's not as good a road as I thought.
We'll turn around right here.
Yeah.
Do another one on the way back. Oh, this road right here got some bumps on it. Sorry, my
Scrub just a little bit.
It's a daily, man. My suspension's super tight. I'm used to that. It happens every day, so nothing to worry about. Can I just whip it around right here?
Yeah. I mean, if you want to go on down, you can whip it around. It's not a busy road at all. Now would be a good time to talk about your clutch. What kind of clutch you're running in it?
So it's an ACT Stage 3 6-buck,
Okay.
which for my power levels, fine. I don't launch the car either, so it's transmission's unopened except for the clutch.
Yeah.
But so I don't launch the car. Eventually, I may build it to do some crank stuff.
Now coming up in March, I believe it is, you got the streetcar takeover at Alabama International Dragway, and they do road racing.
I remember seeing stuff on that on Facebook.
Yeah.
About them coming to Alabama, and by March I might have my motor in. I might get in on that. I don't know. I have to see when it registration.
The road racing
cutoff
should
is.
take place on a Friday.
Yeah, I'd like to get in on that. I need to get the car where it probably need to go with some different tires and get the built motor in and turn all up to about 25 or 30.
Yeah.
And yeah, I might look into that. I did see it.
I couldn't go. I wanted to go, just go spectate, get some event coverage, but my third son, he was born. Well, we left the hospital the day of the event, so.
Spinning the tires the whole way. Traction control light going on. Well, she takes a beating, man. She really does.
It's a fun little car, that's for sure.
Yeah, no doubt. I enjoy it.
Well, alright, y'all. That's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Come back for more. A big thanks to Seth for coming out and letting me shoot his car and talking about it a little bit. It's windy out now. But anyways, yeah, if you want to support the channel, then definitely hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up, and you know, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about that little Honda Civic SI. If you enjoyed the video, then you know that's just one way to show your appreciation. Also, you know, I do have some merch, but until next time, thanks.